There can be times where in a spreadsheet you have column headings that are quite lengthy as far as text is concerned, but the content you're going to put in the cell, like the intersection, say B4, might only be small. Perhaps it'll be a letter or a single number, etc. You still want the headings there, but you don't want to lose a whole lot of visual real estate by having wide columns. So what you can do here is you can rotate text. This means you'll still get your headings displaying, but your column widths will be smaller, meaning that you can fit more columns across your page as it prints out. So I'm going to highlight these headings here. Then all I need to do is come up here to the orientation drop arrow. Now there's a variety of things that you can do. You can have different angles. You could have it rotating text up, which is what I'll be after, or you can go to Format Cell Alignment. And from here, you can take the clock hand and drag it to a certain degree to enable you to rotate the text in that cell. So in this instance, it normally sits like this. I'm just going to drag it to full top up here to 12 o'clock, 90 degrees. When I click OK, watch what happens. What this has done is it's rotated the text around. So this means I can resize these columns to a smaller width. I've still got the detail of the column heading, but this allows me to have smaller boxes or smaller entries for putting information in. So this can be really handy if you've got lots of columns, but the data in each cell is going to be quite small. So that's rotating text in Excel.